Greetings, beings of light. We are the master teachers, and we come through this channel to you at this time to assist you in raising your frequencies to align to the extra special energies of this time of year as your Earth passes through a cosmic debris field. And comets are messengers, they are travelers through time, through space, and each particle within that debris field is a portal of information, of consciousness, of knowledge, of wisdom. It's innate within your being, within your soul, within your essence. And as your Earth passes through, it helps to ignite the conscious fields, to open to new portals of information, streaming from the cosmos, from the collective fields that created everything, the quantum field, the realm of spirit, God, or source, ready for you to utilize in this phase of your ascension for new knowledge, new information, to open up and ignite new gifts, new spiritual gifts, to awaken dormant DNA, to step into higher spiritual abilities, higher knowledge of yourself, what your path is in New Earth, and how you and the Earth is ascending at this time. So we shall work with toning and light language that your soul, your spirit understands and responds to, that will align you more to these very special energies. Out of one portal and into another. The Lionsgate portal was a portal, an energetic portal. And now this is an information portal. So what happens is that you get zapped with a higher frequency, and now this is the time to process the new information and to start to tap into the new gifts, the new abilities relevant to that new information that you are receiving, that you are absorbing, assimilating, and embodying. So just relax, dear ones, as we work to raise the frequencies, so energetically and vibrationally align you to take full advantage of this year's passage through this epic portal of information. Raising the frequencies. Relax, breathe, relax your shoulders, your chin and cheek. Raising the frequencies. Feel that you're out in the night sky with all those shooting stars. Each meteorite burning up in the atmosphere. The atmosphere physically absorbs the space material, but energetically absorbs the information, the upgrades. And that is aligned through the Schumann frequency or Schumann resonance. We will get the right terminology for you. And other, at this point, primitive measuring devices of your people. Shifting the vibration, adding to the collective, as each shooting star, each particle burns in the atmosphere, absorbed into the collective fields. That will assist you in utilizing the upgrade of frequency through the Lionsgate portal to achieve the proper balance, health, wealth, well-being. There's an information portal as well as a manifestation portal. We are raising the frequencies. Relax, breathe, allow. And receive this light transmission from the universe to ignite your creative powers, to create consciously your dreams and desires in the world as a process, as part of the upgrade of energies and frequencies and gifts that you are receiving. Raising the frequencies, breathe, relax, shoulders, chin, cheeks, relax. Oya ya de de o mi ya he o de de ya ba ba ishi shun de si si ti ya na no yo ha ha o no no ya 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 no no ya ya yo ya de Echashumia no socia no si papa te te ka hum shi badoto si badadai ha ha misha ko kwasapate hu yin yon tia tente ne mi hiya pa hein no 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 pia hitia india o ne 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 ya ba ho hi o no ya na ne Abadoi you know no you know no Breathe, relax, absorb this information, this light code language through tone and sound to absorb within your energetic fields, to expand your reach, your consciousness, your fields, to vibrationally align with the new information coming to you, for the new gifts to awaken, your manifestations to become your reality, to become that portal of spirit, that physical body that is the housing of the light of the divine, allowing the divine to express life through you. And that, dear one, is the secret to manifesting your reality and living your true purpose in this time of great ascension and awakening. Allow the energies to start to settle now. Feel roots extending from your root or the soles of your feet or both, deep into your Mother Earth, grounding and centering. Take a couple of deep breaths from the earth. Inhale, exhale, wiggle your toes and fingers. And when you are ready, open your eyes. And hi, we're going to post a video over here that's another channeling that's very complementary with this one. And here I'll post one of the psychic forecast video for you. And thank you. Hopefully this is helpful. Come back to this as many times as you like. And receive these upgrades. Happy portals, happy Perseids meteor shower. And if you're watching this later, you'll still tap into the energy and the upgrade. Love you.